हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का जो हमारा है वो है चैप्टर 6 क्लास 6 का टच पैड बुक कंप्यूटर की है ये। यूजिंग टूल्स इन फ्लैश cs6 योर एम टू लर्न अबाउट सिलेक्शन टूल, पेंसिल टूल, रेक्टेंगल टूल, पॉलिस्टर टूल, पेन, बकेट टूल, व्यू टूल्स, line tool, pen tool, oval tool, eraser tool, text tool, color tools. In the previous chapter, you have learned about the tools panel of Flash cs6. These tools are used to draw graphic shapes and image on the stage. Okay, these tools also give you options to change style and color of the boundary of the object. You can fill colors in your shapes. Flash cs6 allows you to remove or erase unwanted parts of your drawing. You can also navigate to various sections of your Flash document. You can zoom in the selected area to work closely on a drawing. You can zoom out to see the drawing of stage as a whole. Let's now learn how the various tools in tools panels are used to create drawing. Selection tool. Selection tool is used to select and move object. To select an object, click on the selection tools and click on the object. Once the object is selected, click and hold down the mouse button. Now move the mouse pointer to move the object to new positions. Line tool. Line tool is used to draw straight line between 2 points. So select the line tool from tool panel. Click at one point on the stage and without releasing the mouse button, drag to another point. When you release the mouse button, a line will be drawn. But before drawing a line, you need to define the properties of the line in the properties panels. Click stroke color to open list of color and select type number in stroke height. Text box to change width thickness of the line. The default width headline or 1 point. You can also move a slider to increase or decrease with click stroke style to open drop down list of various style of line and select stroke style. Okay, click cap to open drop down menu for start and style of line from these options. वेट स्ट्रोक वाला किस तरीके से आएगा, ये ब्रश वाला जो होता है इस तरीके से स्ट्रोक वाला आएगा. स्टाइल सॉलिड, स्केल नॉर्मल. ओके, लाइन टूल्स में जाके आप फाइल एंड स्ट्रोक में आप जाके और सारी डिटेल इस तरीके से है. प्रॉपर्टीज पैनल, लाइन टूल्स. ओके, हाँ, तो यहाँ पे देखते हैं चूज नॉन टू कीप द स्टार्ट एंड द एंड ऑफ द लाइन स्क्वायर विद द नो एक्स्ट्रा एंडिंग. चूज द राउंड एंड राउंड कैप्स एट द स्टार्ट एंड द एंड ऑफ द लाइन. चूज द स्क्वायर टू एड स्क्वायर कैप्स एट द स्टार्ट द एंड ऑफ द लाइन. स्ट्रोक कलर्स, look at here. Stroke height, stroke style and cap, noun, round and shape. ओके, सो राउंड चाहिए आपको तो राउंड पे क्लिक कीजिए. पेंसिल टूल. पेंसिल टूल इज यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ फ्री हैंड लाइन्स एंड क्रूव्स. पेंसिल टूल से आप क्या है कि फ्री हैंड आप बिना छुए किसी भी तरीके की लाइन्स एंड क्रूव्स दे सकते हो, शेप दे सकते हो. यू कैन यूज अ पेंसिल टूल टू ड्रॉ एनी शेप विच इज नॉट देयर इन द टूल्स पैनल्स. Select the pencil tools from tool panel. Click at one point and without releasing the mouse button, drag to draw. When you have completed drawing the shapes, release the mouse button. You can define the properties of the pencil in the properties panel. It gives you same option as this for line tools. You can change color, stroke, height, stroke, style and caps of your shape. Properties panel, pencil. Pen tool. Pen tool is used to Draw practice path as straight lines or smooth following crews. You can also adjust the angle and length of straight segments and slopes of crew segment afterwards. Draw straight line no lines sorry ड्रॉ स्ट्रेट लाइन्स विद द पेन टूल्स. किस तरीके से पेन टूल से हम स्ट्रेट लाइन कर सकते हैं. द सिंपलेस्ट पैथ यू कैन ड्रॉ विद द पेन टूल इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन मेड बाय क्लिकिंग पेन टूल to create two another points. Continue to click to create a path made of straight line segments connected by corner points. Select step 1, select the pen tool. Step 2, positions the pen tool where the straight segment is to begin and click to define the first anchor point. If direction lines uppers you accidentally drop it the pen tool, choose edit, undo and click again. Step 3, click again where you want the segment to add. Press shift and click to contain the angle of segment to the multiply of 45. Step 4, continue clicking the state anchor points for addition state segment. Clicking pen tools create straight segment. Step 5, to click to complete the path as an open or closed shape. Do not do one of the following. To complete an open path, double click the last point. Click the pen tool in the tools panel or control click anywhere away from the path. To choose to close the path, positions the pen tool over the first follow anchor point. A small circle upper stack next to the pen tool pointer when it is posited currently. Click or drag to close the path. To compare the shape is select edit, delete all or select a different tool in the tools panel. Rectangle tools is used. Draw a closed rectangle. Select the rectangle tools from the tools panel. Click on the one point and without releasing the mouse button, drag to another point. Release the mouse button to draw the rectangle. Let's define the properties of the rectangle. In the properties inspector or a panel, click stroke color to open list of a color for outline of the rectangle and select a color. Click fill color to open list of colors to fill in the rectangle and select a color. Type a number in stroke height text box to change width or thickness of the outline. The default width is a hairline or a 1 point. You can also move the slider to increase and decrease to the width. The click stroke style to open drop down list of various style of line and select stroke style. Properties panel rectangle. Okay, oval tool. Oval tool is used to draw closed circles, circular shapes like eggs. Egg के shape में होता है ये. Click on and hold on rectangle tool to open a drop down menu. Select oval tool. Click on one point and without releasing the mouse button, drag to another point. Release the mouse button to draw the oval. The properties of the oval in the properties panel gives some option as this of rectangle tool. You can change outline or strokes color, width of the outline, strokes style and fill colors. Look at here. Polystar tools. Polystar tool is used to drop down closed shapes having either 3 sides or more than 5 sides. With the help of polystyrene tool, you can draw a triangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. It's a click and hold on a rectangle tool to open a drop down menu. Select polystyrene tool. The properties panel of the polystyrene is similar to rectangle tool, except that it has an opens option button at the bottom. Rectangle tools drop down menu. Properties panel, polystyrene tool. To selecting a dialog box, click on option button to open option tool. Setting dialog box, click the drop down arrow of style to choose between polygon and star. Number of sides text box is used to enter the number of sides you want for your shapes. Eraser tool is used to remove the unwanted parts or the whole object drawn on the stage. It also removes strokes and file inner shapes. You can customize the eraser tool is to erase only strokes, only filled areas, or only a single filled area. The eraser tool can be used following this step. Step 1, select the eraser tool from the tools panel. Step 2, click on open one pointer, and without releasing the mouse button, drag on the drawing to be erased. Step 3, release the mouse button when you have erased the drawing or unwanted part of the drawing. You can change the shape or size of your erase. For this, you need to click eraser shape icon in the option selection of the tools panel. This will open a list showing various shapes and size for your eraser. The size of the eraser tool can be either round or square, or it can have one of the 5 sizes. You can erase either by using the factored mode or by trapping the eraser over the area which we want to remove. Look at here, eraser shapes list ये रही यहाँ पे इस तरीके से. Faucet mode. By using a faucet mode, you can simply erase the required file area or stroke segments by clicking on them. टीच फंडा में देखते हैं, इफ़ यू डबल क्लिक ऑन द इरेज टूल, it erases the entire content from the stage. The different types of erasing modes you are erased normal. This mode is used to erase both the strokes and file. Erase file. This mode is used to erase the file and empty area, leaving the strokes unaffected. Erase behind. The mode is used to erase the blank area of the stage, leaving strokes and file unaffected. Erase selected files. This mode is used to erase strokes selected or not selected. Erase inside. This mode is used to erase only the file on which you can begin the erase stroke. If you begin erasing from an empty point, nothing will be erased strokes and unaffected by the erase in this mode. Look at here. Erase normal, erase file, erase lines, erase selected file, erase inside, erase factored mode. Drag mode. Use this mode. You can erase the area by simply dragging over it. Paint bucket tool. Paint bucket tool is used to fill color in closed shapes. Select the paint bucket tool and click inside a closed shape to fill color in it. Let's define the properties of the paint bucket in the properties panel, which looks like this. Click file color to open a list of color. From the list, choose and click select color to file in your closed shape. Text tool. You can use a text tool to place the text box on the stage. You can place text on a single line that expand as you type, or We can have the text palettes in a fixed width block that wraps a word automatically. You can set the characteristics such as font type, font size, font colors. It's from the character panels either before we start typing the text or after selecting the text. Properties panel text, look at here. View tools. The hand tool is used to move to different parts of the stage without changing the view of the stage. It is like horizontal and vertical scroll bar joined together. Select the hand tool, say click anywhere on the stage and without releasing the mouse button, drag and the mouse to move the different parts of the stage. The zoom is used to adjust magnifications of the stage. Magnification means how closely you want to see an object on the stage. Hand tool, zoom tool. Colors tools. Below the view section is the color section showing strokes or outline color and fill color of an object. Stroke colors change the boundary colors of the shape, whereas the fill colors change the inside shapes color of the object. Outline colors and fill colors. Selection tool is used to select and move object. Line tool is used to draw straight line between 2 points. Pencil tool is used to draw freehand lines and grooves. Pen tool is used to draw precise path as straight lines or smooth following grooves. Rectangle tools is used to draw a closed rectangle. Oval tools is used to draw closed circle shapes like X. Polyster tool is used to draw closed shape having either 3 sides or more than 5 sides. Eraser tool is used to move the unwanted parts of or the whole object down on the stage. You can erase either by using the set mode or by dragging the eraser over the area which we want to remove.